What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today we had at least 3 to 4 inches of snow and it's been melting all day, and now it's getting darker and sun going down, so now everything refreezes. So under this snow there is ice and it's pretty dangerous to drive on ice, you already know that. So for that reason I got this car gadgets for your tires to drive on ice or in snow. Let's see what I got. Also, I want to say huge thanks to GearBest for sending me all these products. I'll put their website links in the description and to some of those products. First, I'm gonna drive over here and hit the brakes, and let's see if my car is going to stop right away or not. Usually you don't want to hit your brakes on ice or on snow. You gotta stop gradually. But for the comparison purposes, I'll do very carefully stop without gadgets on my tires and with, and we'll see the comparison. So a couple things I put to the test here. As you can see, it's slippery enough. If I floor it, the tire just spins out. If you have to go uphill, that's what happens. Your tire just spins out, even if you try to go slowly up to that hill. But downhill, when you try to hit your brakes, you'll spin. So you don't want to press your brake right away. You want to press it gradually so you don't slide. But everybody knows that, at least most people. Now let's see the difference with the gadgets on the tires, and let's see if we're going to spin more or less. Strap-ons only for 2 tires. My car is all-wheel drive, but if you only have front-wheel drive or back-wheel drive, you just put it on the ones that actually pull in the car. Let's figure it out how this works. So this is how you install it. Put it to the tire, and then you're gonna open this latchet right here and put it to the bottom hole. Yeah, that's it. And make it tight. You wanna make it really tight. And then latch this lock up, and then we're going to put it to this little hole, the next slit next to it. And you wanna push it to all the way to where it's going to lock in. I think that's how you do it. Boom. Okay, and we're gonna do the same thing on this side. Now let's try to drive on it. Let's see if we're gonna slide or not. It definitely helps. I like it a lot. I can definitely feel it when it's into the ice, and it sits pretty good. I don't really know how durable that is. I don't want to go too far, but you see it scrape up the ice, and look at all that ice. It definitely helps, better than nothing. This one's come in a whole case. Let's open them up, see what this one's all about. There you go, there's a whole bunch of them. Look, they even come in the gloves. And you know what, one time I went somewhere and I had to go home, and all of a sudden everything was ice. Oh, I know, this is what this thing is for. Now I get it. You put this too and put your belt. You see, and you pull out your belt. So make sure you use every single gadget to make it much easier. There's one wire on my car, so I don't want to tie that together. Okay, make sure it's really tight so it doesn't slide off anywhere, come off. And for this gadget we got here a similar one, but even better one. And grab it like this, hold it, there you go, not too bad. I wish there was a little bit extra for me to grab on to pull it, make it tighter, but this will be enough. One thing you don't want it to happen is this latchet to slide on a side, and it might hurt your tire. You looks like you're supposed to put 2 on each tire, but we'll just do this little test. Let's see what these things can do. You know what, guys, I think it's really cool to have some kind of kit for your tires, because you never know when you're going to get stranded in some kind of blizzard or maybe ice storm. For this gadget, it's as seen on TV, tread ahead. Look at that. So this is how it works. Let's say you're stuck somewhere, so you put this thread on the ice or on the grass, wet grass, into here, or if you turn to back up, you put it into here. So we're just gonna go forward just to see what will happen. Also, they say this side here you can use it to scrape ice off your window. So dual purposes right here. You see all that ice? So that way I actually can see what is in front of me or behind me. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.